Okay, good morning, students. Yesterday, I have discussed about the topic that is the determinants, properties of the determinants, adjoint of the matrix, inverse of the matrix. How to solve the system of linear equations by using the inverse method. I hope you all are practice that topics. Now, I have discussed today, I have discussed about the topic that is continuity. Continuity. In the class 11, already we have discussed about the limits topic. Limits. What is the meaning of the limit? What are the properties? Some important formulas. Already we have discussed. Now, once again, we will remember that what is the limit, what are the properties, what are the formulas including in the limits. Now, what is the meaning of the limit? You know very well. Limit. Already I explained that one in class 11. Okay. When x approaches to a, means x reaches to a from right side or left side, whatever may be. X approaches to a, then the function value f of x approaches to something L. X approaches to a, then the function value approaches to L. Then this L is called limit value of the function at x is equal to a. How to write that one? Limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to L. This L is called limit value. Limit value of f of x at x is equal to a. L is called limit value of f of x at x is equal to a. L is called limit value of the function. But suppose limit x tends to a or x tends to 2, x plus 2 is equal to how much? Now, x approaches to, the function approaches to something value. X approaches to means you have to substitute 2, means 2 plus 2. That equal to how much? 4. Whenever you substitute the value, we cannot write the limit. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Now, limit x tends to 1, x square minus 1 by x minus 1. For suppose, what happened? You know each and every one. Substitute x is equal to 1. Now 1 square means 1 minus 1 by 1 minus 1. That equals 0 by 0. 0 by 0. How much 0 by 0 means? Last year you told a lot of answers. Okay, but 0 by 0 is not, you have any value? 0 by 0. Tell me. 0 by 0 means how much? Some students last year told me, what is 0 by 0 means 0, 0 by 0 means 1, something. Okay, no one told the right answer. Say yes or no? Yes. What is the 0 by 0? 0 by 0 is no value. That is that we called indeterminate form. Those are called indeterminate form. How many indeterminate forms are available? You know, 0 by 0, 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, infinity by infinity, infinity power infinity, infinity plus or minus infinity are called indeterminate forms. Infinity power infinity, 0 power 0, 1 power infinity, those are called indeterminate forms. Whenever you substitute the limit, the continuity also we will do the limits only. In a continuity compulsory, we have an idea about a limit, how to find the limit. 100% total continuity, nothing but the limit. You know very well. Okay, how to find the limit of the function? What are the some basic properties? What are the important formulas in the limits? Must and should you learn. After that, we will do the topic. We have do the topic. Otherwise, no need at all. That's why These are called indeterminate forms. What are the indeterminate forms? 0 by 0, 0 power 0, 1 power infinity. Those are called indeterminate forms. Now 0 by 0, it is a value? No. Means this is not the answer for that question. We will do the another method. We will do the another method, means factorization or whatever may be. Now x square minus 1 means a square minus b square formula will apply. Limit x tends to 1, x minus 1 into x plus 1 by x minus 1. This one cancel. Now limit x tends to 1, x plus 1. Now substitute the value 1 plus 1, that equal to. Understand or not? What is the indeterminate form? Whenever you get the indeterminate form, that is not an answer for that question. Means we will do another way. We will get the compulsory finite answer. That value is called limit of this function. Limit of this function at x is equal to 1. Understand or not? Now this is called limit. Now what are the properties? You know very well properties of the limit, formulas for the limit. Now observe that each and every one you know very well. What are the properties of the limit? Now first property, let f of x comma g of x are the two functions. Then k is any scalar, L comma m are any scalar, whatever may be, L comma m are any scalars means real numbers. First one, limit of the constant, where c is the constant, the answer is C. The limit of the constant means limit of 1, answer is 1, limit of 10, answer is 10, limit of x tends to whatever may be, infinity or whatever may be, compulsory, the value of the constant value limit always equal to the constant only, that equal to constant. Now limit of x tends to a, k into f of x, where k is the scalar means any real number. Now 100% we will write this is k into limit of x tends to a, f of x tends to, x reaches to a, whatever may be. Third one, limit x tends to a, x tends to x approaches to f of x plus or minus g of x. Now we will apply the limit x tends to a, f of x plus or minus limit x tends to a, g of x. You know very well. Okay, understand? Next, limit x tends to a, f of x into g of x. Product is there. Now we apply the 100% product. Limit x tends to a, f of x into limit x tends to a, g of x. This is the product of the limits. This is separate, this is separate one. Next, if g of x not equal to 0, limit x tends to a, f of x by g of x. Why? G of x not equal to 0. Therefore, function is equal to 0. Denominator equal to 0, something by 0 means infinity, not defined. Okay, you know very well. That equal to limit x tends to a, f of x by limit x tends to a, g of x. Understand? Next, sixth one, limit x tends to a, f of x power g of x. Exponential functions. Now what happened? Limit x tends to a, f of x whole power limit x tends to a, g of x. Now in the limits, infinity limits are there. So many properties are there in the limits, all we have discussed in the class 11, you know very well. But for suppose what I am asking means, what is the value of, for suppose we will do the problem, limit x tends to infinity, 2 power infinity minus 1, 2 power x minus 1 is equal dash. something the problem. 2 power x minus 1 is equal to limit x tends to infinity 2 power x minus 1. Now I have to substitute the limit 2 power infinity minus 1. What is the answer? Tell me. Now that's why r power infinity, where r is the real number, no problem at all. R power infinity. R power infinity is equal to infinity if r greater than 1. R greater than 1 means base value 100%, 1.1, 1.2, more than 1 must and should the answer is equal to infinity. Understand? For suppose r value exactly 1 power infinity is no value, that is called indeterminate form. Already before I told that 1 power infinity, r greater than 1, r less than 1. Base r value, okay, either positive or negative other than 1. For suppose r value is equal to 0 if r less than 1. That equal, if r equal to 1, that equal to 1 power infinity. This is called indeterminate form. We know very well. You remember that one. What happened this one? 2 power infinity. Base is 2, more than 1. That is infinity. Infinity minus 1, nothing but the infinity. So infinity numbers are there. You can subtract. That is minus 1. We get the infinity values. That's the values infinity. Remember that one. For suppose find the limit x tends to. We will find the limit x tends to infinity. What happened? E power x. You know the value of e? The value of e always lies between 2 and 3. Approximately e is equal to 2.71. The value of e always. Now substitute in this one e power infinity. E value 2 to 3 means base is more than 1. More than 1 means answer is infinity. Very easy problems. For suppose limit x tends to infinity, e power minus x. Understand? Now apply, that equal e power minus infinity. 1 by e power infinity. A power minus m means 1 by a power m. Remember that one formulas. 1 by e value more than means lies between 2 and 3 means more than 1 means infinity. 1 by infinity means 0. Just the exponential value means e power x, that is positive means answer is 0, e power minus x, that is equal to answer is 0. Whenever limit x tends to infinity, e power x is infinity, e power minus x is 0. That's why remember the values. R power infinity is equal to infinity when base r greater than 1, r is equal to 0, r value is less than 1, that is 0, r value is equal to exactly 1. What happened? That one. 0 power infinity also indeterminate form. R value per suppose 0. What happened? 0 power infinity. That is nothing but the indeterminate form. These are the properties. Note down and write down. Now some important what is that? Formulas. What are the some important formulas? Please all the students note down these formulas in your copy work. And read this one, each and every one. Okay. Some important formulas. Limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a. Actually this is indeterminate form. We substitute the x value a power n minus a power n by a minus a. That is called indeterminate form. That is 0 by 0. 0 by 0 value, no value. That is called indeterminate form means that compulsory that function have something limit value. That is the formula is n into a power n minus 1. Second one, limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x power m minus a power m. What is this one? N by m into a power n minus m, where n greater than m. No problem at all. Third one, limit x tends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x. This is also indeterminate form, no doubt at all. The answer is 1. Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. Please remember these formulas. Remember these formulas. Compulsory, each and every one will be used in continuity topic. Limit x tends to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. That is logarithm of a to the base e. Limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus x by x, that equal to 1. You know very well. Each and every student know the formulas, I think. Now sixth one, limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. Sin x by x is 1. After that, so many applications are there. Limit x tends means ax tends to 0. The multiplied with x is a. Ax tends to a into 0, 0. Sin ax by x, that is answer is a. Okay, understand or not? Now seventh one, limit x tends to 0, tan x by x is equal to how much? 1. Next, limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x, that is exponential e. This is also indeterminate form. Each and every formula must ensure indeterminate form, means we will get the indeterminate form 100%. This is 1 power infinity, no problem at all. Limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x whole power x. This is also e. Now here this write the value r power infinity. Base r value is equal to infinity if r greater than 1, is equal to 0 if r less than 1, that equal to indeterminate form. Indeterminate form when r is equal to 1. Exactly r value is 1. Understand or not? Okay. Now you remember these formulas. Now after that, per suppose we will do some problems. What are the problems? First one question, find limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by x. 3 power x minus 1 by x. Immediately you thinking any formula is there. Okay, a power x minus 1 by x. What is the formula? Log a base c. A value in this one 3. What is the answer? Log 3 base c. Simple. First of all, second question, limit x tends to 0, log of 1 plus 3x by x. You know the formula. What is the formula? Log of 1 plus x by x, that equal to answer is 1. In this one, 1 plus x by x is equal to 1, means x coefficient is 1, x coefficient is here. X coefficient is how much? 3 is there, means 3x is there. In this one also 3x, means multiply and divide with 3. What happened? Limit x tends to 0 means multiply with 3 means 3x, 3x tends to 0. Log of 1 plus 3x by 3x into 3. Now in this one product is there. Product of this is f of x, this is g of x. This is log of 1 plus x by x type. This answer is 1. Now limit of the constant is always equal to constant. 1 into 3, that is nothing but the 3. Simply you will do the problems in this way. Just applications. Apply the formula to the given problem. Understand or not? Next, already we discussed we have discussed the left hand limit, right hand limit. Okay, those two are equal. What happened? Those two are equal means limit exists. What is the formula of left hand limit? You know very well, left hand limit and right hand limit. When x approaches to a from the right side of the a, when x approaches to a from the left side. Okay, what is the left hand limit? Left hand limit. limit x tends to a minus f of x. This is also we will write limit h tends to 0 f of a minus h. A minus h. Both are same. H is a very small quantity. A minus h. RHL, what is the RHL? Limit x tends to, when x approaches to a from left side, a minus a plus. What is the a minus a plus indicates? The x approached from left side or right side. Okay. X tends to a plus f of x. This is nothing but the limit x tends to 0 f of a plus h. A plus h. If LHL, left hand limit, right hand limit, both are equal, means limit x tends to a f of x exist. For suppose this value is equal, for suppose L, this value is equal, for suppose M. If these two values are equal, L is equal to M. Therefore, limit exists, limit value is equal, limit x tends to a f of x is equal to either L or M, whatever may be, those are equal, 100% in this one, those are equal. Then already that's why I am writing LHL is equal to RHL, either L equal to M. This limit value is equal, for suppose this is 2 means this is also 2. For suppose this is 2, this is 3 means limit does not exist. Those LHL, RHL must be equal, then the limit value must, limit is exist, otherwise if those two are not equal, otherwise limit x tends to a f of x does not exist. Does not exist. Understand? Now, simply we have discussed about the topic, that is the continuity. Okay, this topic continuity we will discuss tomorrow. Plus you read these all formulas without fail, compulsory you will read all formulas. Okay, thank you everyone.